At Royal Gold, we believe great soil starts with integrity. For nearly 2 decades, we've worked to set the standard for quality, consistency, and performance in premium cocoa-based soils and organic amendments. Based in the heart of Humboldt County, California, and Upstate South Carolina, we blend premium soils and organic fertilizers by combining science, sustainability, and innovation. As the first nationally distributed cocoa fiber-based potting soil company, Royal Gold has helped lead the industry through years of research, hands-on cultivation, and continuous improvement. Our mission is simple: to craft dependable, high-performing soils and amendments while making thoughtful choices about the ingredients and processes we use. Every Royal Gold blend begins with carefully selected materials, including sustainably sourced cocoa fiber, reclaimed forest materials, and nutrient-rich amendments. The result is soil refined for aeration and moisture, optimized root development, and professional-grade results. Whether you're a commercial grower, a retailer helping customers find the right product, or a gardener working in your own backyard, Royal Gold is committed to giving you a foundation you can trust. Soil crafted with integrity, performance built through experience. Give your garden the gold standard with Royal Gold soils and amendments.